Hello and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Angela and today I am going to be bringing you guys some more cleaning motivation. You guys, this week was so crazy. Like, it's been so crazy. I shouldn't say this week, I should say the week before this week. I live in Texas and I'm pretty sure you guys have heard of the snowstorm that we had. Thank God that we had electricity through the storm and we had running water up until our water lines started busting. So if you guys need some laundry motivation or if you need any type of motivation, just keep on watching this video. It is jam-packed with everything that you need to get motivated to get your cleaning done.
We should work it out, you know we should work it out before I'm doing.
So I'm starting off by separating the clothes. I'm putting it in different piles. I have a pile for stuff that needs to be hung and a pile for things that go in my room, things that go in the baby's room and stuff like that. Now I'm just going into our closets and I am grabbing all of the hangers so that way I can start hanging up all of our clothes. So hard to do this when you are holding a baby. So a lot of times what I do is, like, after I take off a shirt from a hanger, I don't normally leave it on the rack the way it was, but sometimes I do. And what I usually try to do is I usually like to just put them over to the side like this. And I also like to do that with the babies. Like, once I take their clothes off the hanger, I'll place it like on the end of their clothing rack, so that way whenever it's time for me to grab the hangers, they're just all in one pile and I don't have to go through everything and pick out the hangers that don't have anything on it. But obviously it's been a while since I've hung clothes and things have been crazy, and so yeah, that's why they were scattered everywhere. But I got some hangers there and we got some hangers here, and let's go finish up our laundry.
You're gone now, will you call me back? Yeah, I know that, yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind, it's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart, I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your end destination. You're far away and yet so close. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, I feel that.
I ordered this drawer organizing kit from Amazon. I'm going to place it on here, and you guys, I don't leave it the way that I'm doing it. I eventually just use a little bit of these thingies. I don't even know what they're called. Dividers, spacers, whatever. I just end up using a little piece of it, but you'll see what I decide to do towards the end. I really like them. They snap on pretty good, and you can cut them to fit whatever drawer that you want them to fit in. So I really like that, and they work really well, and they do what they're made to do. So as you can see here, I decided not to leave it like this. I didn't like the way that it looked. It looked too cluttered for me, so I decided just to fold everything and place it in her drawer. This is Jordan's drawer, like this. My daughter Jordan, this is her drawer. Okay, so let me know in the comments down below which way you guys liked better.
Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Everyone always keep falling in love again. What's wrong with them? I don't understand. Maybe it will pass by, someone save me. Before I pass out, I'm too lonely to be done. I'ma drink at this page. Yeah. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy and you don't let. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain? If I had an option to be someone else, I would. And like,
Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave me a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!